Prepare to be mind-blown. Cleopatra wasn't just a queen of beauty. She was a cybersecurity genius. Discover the ancient hacking secrets that protected her empire. Let's step back in time to a world where information was power. Meet Cleopatra, the enigmatic queen of Egypt, known for her charm and cunning. But beneath the glamorous facade lay a skilled strategist, a pioneer in the art of safeguarding secrets. Today, we're peeling back the layers of history to unveil her ingenious cybersecurity tactics. First, in an era devoid of computers and the internet, Cleopatra faced a different kind of digital battleground. Protecting her kingdom from rival factions and foreign threats required innovative strategies. Information was currency, and safeguarding it was paramount. Ancient Egypt was a place where messages were transmitted through papyrus scrolls, messengers and hieroglyphics, all of which had to be protected from interception and tampering. Moreover, Cleopatra understood the importance of encryption. She employed a complex system of symbols and codes to protect sensitive communications. By substituting letters with numbers or other characters, she created messages that were virtually impossible for her enemies to decipher. This early form of cryptography laid the groundwork for modern encryption techniques. The use of the Atbash cipher, a substitution cipher where letters of the alphabet are reversed, is one example of how ancient codes worked. Cleopatra's encrypted messages ensured that only her trusted allies could understand her plans. Furthermore, Cleopatra was a master of deception. To misdirect potential threats, she constructed elaborate decoy systems. False treasure chambers, hidden passageways, and misleading information were employed to protect her true assets. This tactic, akin to modern-day cybersecurity measures like honeypots, diverted attention away from critical data. Cleopatra's ability to create convincing decoys confused her enemies and protected her valuable resources, much like how false information and traps are used in cybersecurity today to detect and mitigate attacks. The human firewall, trust and loyalty. Recognizing the importance of human intelligence, Cleopatra cultivated a loyal inner circle. These trusted advisors formed a formidable human firewall, safeguarding her secrets with unwavering dedication. Background checks, loyalty oaths, and strict communication protocols were implemented to maintain a secure network of confidants. Cleopatra's inner circle included generals, advisors, and even spies who were loyal to her cause. These individuals were carefully selected and trained to recognize and neutralize threats, ensuring the Queen's plans remained confidential. In addition, Cleopatra was a keen observer of human behavior. She studied her enemies, identified potential threats, and anticipated their next moves. This ability to analyze patterns and predict actions is a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity. By understanding the motives and behaviors of her adversaries, Cleopatra could develop strategies to counteract their plans. This practice is similar to modern cybersecurity, where threat intelligence and behavioral analysis are used to predict and prevent cyber attacks. In conclusion, Cleopatra's cybersecurity strategies were ahead of their time. Her innovative approaches to protecting information laid the foundation for the complex security systems we rely on today. By understanding the challenges faced by ancient leaders, we gain a deeper appreciation for the evolution of cybersecurity. Cleopatra's legacy as a master of information protection continues to inspire modern security practices, proving that the art of safeguarding secrets is as ancient as civilization itself. Want to know more about the secrets of history? Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing revelations. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Let's unravel the mysteries of the past together.